Hi, LifterLMS Enrollment plugin version 2 is here. Fully updated with LifterLMS version 3.16 onwards. Now you can custom enroll students to your courses. With at least 12 fields including password, organization name and who ordered the course, and a purchase order number, etc. How do you do that? Watch the demo now. Install the plugin by uploading and activate it. Once you activate it, go to Under the Course, and you will find LifterLMS Enrollment Importer link. Clicking LifterLMS Enrollment Importer will show two buttons. One is New Upload, and Download Demo CSV. First thing you should do is to download the template by clicking the Download Demo CSV button. Open this CSV template. Now fill the columns. Following fields can be imported. Those are user ID, username, email ID, user role, course ID, membership ID, address, contact number, password, organization, ordered by, purchase order number, etc. Most important is that email or user ID are required fields. Once you fill the fields, just upload the CSV by clicking New Upload button. Now let us check. Go to LifterLMS option, and click on the reporting. Your all enroll user listed here. Other custom fields are imported under profile of user. Thank you for watching.